What are you watching?
What are you watching? Elodie, le film!
I'm still shook, guys. I'm about to share with you my most horrific experience at the Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer. I mean, I thought I was getting a luxurious vacation, but what I got was a nightmare. As I walked into the lobby, I was immediately hit with the stench of stagnation. The air was thick with the smell of mildew and decay. I mean, how can a 5-star resort not even bother to air out their lobby? It's like they wanted to suffocate me with the stench of disappointment. The staff, oh boy, the staff. They were about as welcoming as a cold sore on your lip. I mean, I've seen more enthusiasm at a funeral. They barely even looked at me, let alone smiled or said hello. And don't even get me started on the receptionist. She was as rude as a Moscow taxi driver during rush hour. I asked her about the Wi-Fi, and she looked at me like I was asking her to solve world hunger. I mean, is it too much to ask for a simple amenity? And then, there was the room. Oh, the room. It was like they took all the leftover furniture from the Soviet era and tossed it into a tiny, cramped space. I mean, the bed was smaller than my grandma's sofa back in Minsk. And the smell, oh boy, the smell. It was like someone had poured a bottle of cheap perfume into the air conditioning unit. I had to leave the window open just to get some fresh air, but then I had to deal with the noise from the construction site next door. It was like they wanted to drive me insane. But wait, it gets better. The food, oh boy, the food. I mean, I've had better tasting cardboard. The dishes were dirty, the tables were sticky, and the service was slower than a Kiev traffic jam. I asked for a simple salad, and what I got was a sad, wilted excuse for a meal. And don't even get me started on the breakfast buffet. It was like they took all the leftover bread from the previous day and served it to us with a side of stale croissants. I mean, is it too much to ask for a decent meal? And then, there were the amenities. I mean, the pool was about as clean as a Moscow street vendor's hands. The water was murky, the tiles were slippery, and the lounge chairs were about as comfortable as a Soviet-era hospital bed. And don't even get me started on the beach. I mean, it was like they took all the trash from the entire resort and dumped it onto the sand. I saw more trash than seagulls, and that's saying something. But you know what the worst part was? The staff's attitude. They seemed to think that we, the customers, were the problem. Like, I complained about the food, and they told me I was being too picky. I mean, is it too much to ask for a decent meal? And when I asked to speak to the manager, they told me he was unavailable. Unavailable? What, did he get kidnapped by aliens or something? You know, guys, I'm still trying to process the trauma I experienced at the Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer. I mean, it was like they took all my hopes and dreams and crushed them into tiny little pieces. And the worst part is, they didn't even seem to care. They just kept on smiling, like they were trying to scam us or something. So, what do you guys think? Have you ever had a similar experience? Leave your comments below, and let's expose these scammers for what they are. And to the management of the Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, I say this, shame on you. Shame on you for taking advantage of innocent tourists like me. Shame on you for serving subpar food and pretending it's gourmet. Shame on you for having a staff that's about as friendly as a Moscow winter. And shame on you for thinking you can get away with it. You guys, let's make some noise. Let's let the world know about the horrors of the Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer. Let's make sure no one else has to suffer through what I did. Thanks for listening, guys. Until next time, stay vigilant, and always read the reviews. Based on my analysis of businesses near Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, here's the comprehensive overview, analysis of negative reviews for businesses near Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer. Upon analyzing the negative reviews for Antalya Migros Shopping Center, Monte Kemer Restaurant, and cafemokkakemer, several patterns and issues emerge that are common across these businesses. Common issues: 1. Poor customer service. Many reviewers expressed dissatisfaction with the service they received, citing rude, unprofessional, and inattentive staff. This was a recurring theme across all three businesses. 2. Quality of food and products. Reviewers were disappointed with the quality of food, drinks, and products offered, mentioning issues such as overpriced items, poor taste, and lack of freshness. 3. Long wait times and slow service. Several reviewers complained about waiting for extended periods for their orders, menus, or bills, which led to frustration and dissatisfaction. 4. Lack of communication and understanding. Language barriers and poor communication were mentioned as significant issues, particularly at cafemokkakemer. where staff struggle to understand customer requests. 5. Overpricing and value for money. Reviewers felt that the prices charged were not justified by the quality of service or products offered, leading to a perception of poor value for money. Specific examples: at Antalya Migros shopping center, reviewers experienced racism, nationalism, and unprofessional treatment from employees, which is unacceptable and damaging to the business's reputation. Monte Kemer restaurant was criticized for its slow service, poor food quality, and unresponsive staff, leading to a negative dining experience. Cafemokkakemer faced criticism for its high prices, poor quality food and drinks, and inattentive staff, which were exacerbated by language barriers and poor communication. Business applications. These negative reviews suggest that these businesses need to focus on improving their customer service, product quality, and communication to enhance the overall customer experience. Failure to address these issues can lead to a decline in customer loyalty, negative word of mouth, and a loss of reputation. Recommendations. 1. Staff training. Provide training for employees to improve their communication skills, customer service, and cultural sensitivity. 2. Quality control. Implement quality control measures to ensure that products and food meet customer expectations. 3. Process improvement. Streamline processes to reduce wait times and improve efficiency. 4. Price review. Review pricing strategies to ensure they are competitive and offer value for money. 5. Customer feedback. Regularly solicit customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and implement changes accordingly. Analysis of negative reviews for Aura Club Kemer, near Crystal Flora Beach Resort. Business overview: Aura Club Kemer is a nightclub near Crystal Flora Beach Resort that has garnered overwhelmingly negative feedback. The reviews paint a picture of an establishment that prioritizes aggressive revenue generation over guest experience, with multiple allegations of unethical pricing, poor service, and even safety concerns. Common patterns and issues: 1. Exorbitant and unethical pricing. Numerous guests report being charged absurdly high prices for drinks, with little transparency. Example: a guest paid £453, $580, for a single bottle of vodka. Review number 1. Number 11. Another paid 35,000 Turkish liras, $1,200, for a group outing, including unordered items. Review number 3. Number 13. Hidden charges are rampant. 1,000 Turkish liras, $35, added for unrequested clappers. Review number 4. Number 14. Extra service fees, for example, £30 for serving, without prior notice. Review number 9. Number 19. 2. Aggressive and deceptive sales tactics. Staff are described as pushy, hovering, and pressuring guests to buy drinks constantly. Example: guests report being forced to repurchase drinks if they move between floors. Review number 2. Number 12. Waiters shout at guests for ordering from a different bar within the same club. Review number 9. Number 19. Bait and switch tactics. Free lounge entry turns into unexpected charges. Review number 3. Number 13. Forced entrance fees after being lured inside. Review number 6. Number 16. 3. Poor and disrespectful service. Staff are repeatedly called rude, invasive, and unprofessional. Example: female guests felt harassed and unsafe due to hovering staff. Review number 9. Number 19. VIP tables, costing 11,000 Turkish liras, were given away while guests briefly danced. Review number 4. Number 14. 4. Safety and security concerns. Multiple reports of potential drink tampering. Review number 3. Number 13. Robbery incidents inside or near the club. Review number 10. Number 20. Guests warn against visiting alone, citing bad intentions. Review number 10. Number 20. Key takeaways: Aura Club Kemer appears to operate with predatory pricing, deceptive billing, and high-pressure sales tactics, severely diminishing the guest experience. The lack of transparency, disrespectful service, and safety risks make it a venue that many reviewers strongly advise avoiding. For travelers near Crystal Flora Beach Resort seeking nightlife, alternative venues with verified fair pricing and better reputations may be a safer choice. This analysis will be combined with other business reviews for a broader area assessment. This analysis covers all the businesses analyzed in the area and provides insights into what travelers can expect when staying near Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer. Soft, melancholic voice with a hint of innocent frustration, like a sad storyteller trying to warn a friend. You know, around Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, some shops and people, they act too nice, like they want to be your best friend. But then, poof, your money disappears. Like, How sad is that? First one, oh, the souvenir shops. They see tourists, they smile big, but the prices? Magic. They change. One price on the tag, another at the register. Oh, no, that was old price. New price. Higher. And if you complain? Suddenly, they don't understand English anymore. I saw this happen to a German lady buying a stupid seashell necklace, marked 50 lira, but they charged her 200. She paid because she was embarrassed. Then she walked away looking so small. Probably went back to her hotel at Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, and cried. And the shopkeeper? Probably just laughed and did it to the next person. Second thing, restaurants. Oh, restaurants. You sit down, you order, and then, surprise. The bill is double what the menu said. Special tourist price. Or they bring you extra dishes you never asked for, then demand payment. One British couple near Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, ordered 2 kebabs. But got charged for 5, plus service fee. When they argued, the waiter got loud. So they paid. And left hungry. And the restaurant? Still there, still doing it, because who's gonna stop them? And ATMs. Oh, the ATMs. Some of them eat your card. Or worse, they give you cash, but later, your bank says you took out how much? Skimming machines. A Danish guy near Crystal Flora Beach Resort, Kemer, withdrew 1,000 lira, but his bank got charged for 5,000. He probably spent his whole vacation calling his bank, screaming. And the thieves? Probably already spent his money on tea. Why do people do this? Tourists just want to swim, eat, be happy. But no. Some people see them and think, ah, free money. It's so makes me sad. Pause, voice even quieter, and the worst part? Nobody stops it. The shops keep doing it. The restaurants keep doing it. And the tourists? They just go home and never come back.